we have these to unbox. But do we do it like all the other tech YouTubers and be like, oh, look at all the specs and all the cool stuff, blah, 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 blah. Or do we be like, look at this stuff, we're so excited, blah, 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 let's use it.
Second one.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, so let's get right into this. Who's going to open it? You? You? Should we do paper, rock, scissors to see who gets to?
Yes.
All right, you ready? Paper,
Wait,
paper,
rock,
paper. No? Oh, what? What? How does it go?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I knew that. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, what? No. No.
Come
on.
That's 2 out of 3. Come
Aw,
on.
that's 2 out of 3?
Nope. Aww. It's my baby.
It's your baby. Oh, man, I think I lost my new phone. All right, here we go. Moment of truth.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ooh, nice sound effects.
Thank you. They're homemade.
Let's see that phone.
If I can get it out.
Can you get it out? Don't break it. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh, I got it.
You got
You
it?
can't see all the other stuff.
Oh, okay, we'll show them that later.
But this is the new phone. And as you can see right there, it has 2 cameras.
Ooh, let me see.
Right there.
Ooh.
And then you flip it, and it has 3 cameras right here.
Ooh, I like that
And then
white.
it
That
has
white's nice, huh?
And it changes colors.
Ooh, it does. It's pretty.
And then, if you hold that for a minute. Yeah!
What's it gonna do if you hold it there for a minute? You've been watching too many S10 videos. You gotta turn it on first, dummy.
You
have to hold it.
Yeah.
Oh!
Hold
The power button. Wah, wah, wah. There it is. Turning
Just
on.
wait for the screen.
see
And if
it.
you can see the screen, it kind of moves.
Ooh.
If the thing will stay on. See, now the screen is like this, and then you turn it off.
Ooh,
Now the screen's like this, and then you move it, kind of.
that is a pretty screen.
Sometimes if you hold it, and
And then what?
then it just changes. And
Oh,
then-
you're so informative. Awesome.
And then
And then what? What else is in there?
there is
Ooh,
this
power brick.
power brick,
Yeah.
and something where if you plug it into the phone, then it could hook up to these
USBs.
USB.
Yeah, those are the things. Ooh, come with headphones?
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
So they are wire headphones.
Wired headphones? No one
And-
cares about the box.
You know.
Huh?
No, we care about the box. The box is the best thing in the world.
Unboxing is the best things in the world?
No, boxes.
Oh, just boxes in
in general.
What are you going to do with the box? Is the box most important?
Uh-huh.
What are you going to do with it later?
Yoo-hoo.
Let's see the camera.
And then if you don't even have it on, it still tells you the time and the date.
And we don't know why it does that.
No.
We don't
just
care
does
either,
it.
do we?
No. It just does that, and then it tells you the percent right down there.
Oh, yeah, because
And
that's important.
Of course.
Of course. You don't know what you're doing. Me neither. It's okay. We're on the same page.
Yeah.
As long as the camera works and it makes phone calls, we're good.
And, you know, we like this phone.
Yeah? Oh, it's your turn because you're Mr. Know-It-All.
Yes. So since all of the stupidity is over, I'm gonna
What?
stop. I'm gonna talk about the real stuff.
Oh, because you know everything.
No.
But you know some things.
Yes.
All right, let's hear it.
Okay. So with the camera, it has a 4K picture, dual wheeled in the front, which is really nice because unlike the S8 and S9, they only had the single in the front. And then, like, we have the S10 Plus, which has 3 in the back and 2 in the front.
Oh, and they are so beautiful.
Yes. There's telephoto, wide, and ultra wide, which is really good for us because we're vloggers. So
That's going to make a huge
yes, like ultra wide will help us out on the track and stuff.
difference. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
and telephoto zoom. I'll be able to zoom in across the track to you guys,
Yeah.
which has been hard to do. up till now.
Yeah, because
That's pretty cool, huh?
it would get all fuzzy and stuff.
Not anymore.
Nope.
Oh, I love the way the screen looks on this, too.
Yeah, it's really nice. It is a 6.4 full HD plus dynamic AMOLED
Oh,
infinity display.
that was a lot, dude. Are you
I
sure you're
know.
okay?
That was hard
crazy.
to remember.
I know. How do the tech YouTubers do that?
I don't know.
I just
honestly.
want to use it.
Yeah, same. Okay, well,
I think I lost the phone to this guy.
well, let's just talk about some more of the features. Like, if you swipe down and then down again, no, down up there, you'll see there's wireless power share. Which, if you tap on that, you'll get this screen, and then you just flip it over on its back, and then. No, I want that off, so I can show you.
That is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can I have my phone back now?
No.
All right, now that that's over with, and she unboxed a phone, and he tried to be a tech YouTuber, which really didn't work out, but we'll let it slip. It's only fair I get to open the buds.
No.
Why not?
You went on the trip.
So,
I get to open the buds.
paper, rock, scissors.
No.
Come on.
No.
Fine. I gotta play Fortnite first. Ha ha ha.
Fine.
Come on.
No.
You don't need my help?
Nope.
You look like you need my help.
Nope.
Oh! Oh!
Does it come with anything in the back?
Ooh, what's that?
Probably just paper.
You can just throw them away. They're mere instructions. We'll never read them. Alright, yeah. Whoop. Alright. Whatever that is. What's that? Jeez, you look like you're having a hard time. You need some help?
No.
Why not?
Shush!
Come on. What are you doing? That's not how you unbox things.
Don't worry, only one fell.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, gosh.
So it comes with a bunch of these
Yes.
crazy cool things?
Oh.
Alright, yeah, whatever. Yeah, sure. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'll need them. You won't. Hey! Okay, great. What else is in there?
Charging cable.
Oh,
Which you plug in right there.
Mm.
It just takes the normal charging cable for, like,
The
the
Type-C.
phones, yes.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, here we go.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun. I can only get so many of these sound effects. Go so long. Ah! Ooh.
These are so
wait. When you open them,
soft.
the red light turns on?
Yes, and then it's green. That means they're charged, I'm guessing.
Oh.
Oh, so they already got, like, the hook, so if you're, like, at the gym or something, it's just, like...
Do they fit?
Yes.
Really? Well, you do have big ears, so it's probably going to fit.
Oh, yeah. It's so comfortable.
Is it?
Yeah, it's actually...
My turn. Okay, in a minute. I know. Calm down. Ooh!
They're so much comfortable than AirPods, actually. They got the hook, so...
I've never tried AirPods. What are you doing trying AirPods? Huh?
They're fake.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry. Yeah. Yeah, these are comfortable. They got the hook in. I like it. So... It says, with this phone,
That is good.
wireless power share. We need to put these in really fast.
Uh-huh.
Oh! I guess... Oh, wait.
Did it already... Wait, did it already reconnect it?
Yeah.
On its own?
So, Daddy.
What? I know! I can't help it! Come on, I can be excited too.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure. Let me see if I am correct. I think if I close this again, it'll just automatically start charging. Right?
What, on the
So-
phone?
Yes, I'll close them, and then I'm pretty sure right as I open them, they connect. Yep.
Whoa. Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, connect. Let's see if the headphone works.
Oh, yeah. Right, left.
Do you have?
I don't have anything on there.
Yeah.
Just go to YouTube.
Okay, YouTube. I can't show you this or else we'll get copyright striked.
You can pull up one of our videos. Oh, I heard it. Waiting on you.
Chill.
Don't. Come on. Oh. Yeah, they can't listen to that.
No.
That's copyrighted for sure.
Yeah, but hey,
Oh, they sound
work.
good.
Yeah. I like this. I hear Google.
You hear Google?
I hear Google. I hear Google.
That's funny.
I have an idea.
It's probably not a good one. Just saying. Right?
Yeah.
Look at that. They fit your ears really good, huh?
I can't really hear you out of them though. Which is good, because if you're being annoying, I could just put these on and be like, I can't hear you.
You know, sometimes I just want
I
to.
can't really hear you.
That's probably a good thing, huh? Can you hear me right now? Can you hear me right now?
Can you still hear it?
Can you hear the music?
What? What?
Could you hear the music?
Uh-huh, I can't hear you, though.
That's good, right? Sweet.
You know, I mean. Oh, these are so.
Oh, what? You know what's cool? Is they
What?
fit little midgets like you. It's pretty
What?
cool. They fit little midgets like you.
I
What? You want to fight?
Okay, Riley. Riley, you need to wash your ears!
Oh,
Ah,
Eiley!
That's so nasty!
Jeez, I tell you to clean them. Ah, get out of here! It's gross. At least she doesn't eat that like she does her boogers.
Yeah.
eat it sometimes.
Oh.
At school when I'm hungry, sometimes if my ears are itchy, I do this and
Oh my gosh, you're the weirdest child ever.
it's yummy.
Now that explosion of stupidity is over with, we're going to give you our final thoughts on what we think of this phone. Let's start with you.
I'm super excited for the graphics and the
Ooh.
camera placement for mobile gaming.
Oh yeah, he likes where the camera is, so in mobile gaming, his finger doesn't go over it when he's gaming. But we're going to make a video about that, so you're going to want to check back. What about you? What's your final thoughts on the phone?
I like the color
She loves the color. Tell us why, Eiley.
because it reminds me of a nice fluffy unicorn.
Because it's all sparkly. Anything else?
I like the camera.
Oh, she wants to show you guys a cool feature that we learned. Check this out. So when you're in selfie mode, if you go, smile. Did you see that? The timer goes around the camera lens right there. So that gives you two things. That tells you where to look, and it also gives you the time before the selfie takes. I love that. That's a great feature. All right, so let's talk about these. What's your thoughts on these?
I think they're going to be great for mobile gaming audio.
Oh, yeah, for mobile gaming. What about you?
I think that they would fit in my helmet.
Oh, she wants to try them out on the BMX track. You guys are going to want to check back for that, too. We're going to make a video about it. What else?
And I like them because they actually fit in my tiny ears.
That's true. We have had a hard time finding ones that fit, and these do. So thanks for watching.
We hope you like and subscribe.
We'll see you guys next time.
Peace.
So if you liked this video and you want to watch our other ones, click over here.
And if you haven't already subscribed, click over here.
And if you want to check out our social media, click up there.
And ride safely and
And always wear